Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide your address on Shopify. Shopify is the all-in-one commerce platform that helps you start, run, and grow a business. With that, let's get started. Shopify automatically places your physical address on your public store policies and your printed shipping documents. For many Shopify store owners, especially those running a business from home, displaying a personal address publicly may not be ideal. Removing your home address can help protect your privacy while still allowing you to maintain a professional online store. Here's how to completely hide it. First, look at the very bottom left corner of your screen and click on the Settings gear icon. Shopify keeps important store settings inside this section, including policies, shipping documents, and other business information. From the left sidebar menu inside the Settings window, scroll all the way to the bottom and select Policies. Go through your refund, privacy, and shipping policies. These policy pages are often created using Shopify templates. While templates save time, they may automatically include business details like your store address. If you used a generic template to create them, your home address might be typed out inside the text boxes. Simply highlight your address text, delete it, and hit Save. After removing the address from your policies, the next step is checking your shipping documents, because Shopify may also display your address there. Next, let us remove it from your physical shipping documents. Look back at the left sidebar menu inside Settings and select Shipping and Delivery. Scroll all the way to the bottom of the page until you find the Document section. Click on the arrow next to the packing slip template. Packing slips are the documents included with customer orders, so any information shown here can appear when you print or send order paperwork. When you click the Preview template, you will see that your address is clearly displayed at the bottom. To remove that, go back to the Settings page and click inside the box containing the code. Shopify packing slips use a template editor where you can customize what information appears on your documents. You do not need advanced coding knowledge for this simple change. Right beneath where it says, "Thank you for shopping with us," look for the line that reads, "Shop.address summary." This line is responsible for displaying your store address on the packing slip template. Simply highlight that line of code, delete it, and click Save in the top right corner. After saving, preview your packing slip again to confirm that your address has been removed and the document still looks correct. Now your personal home address is completely hidden from your order documents. Remember to also review other areas of your Shopify store, such as contact pages, emails, and footer sections, to make sure your address is only displayed where you actually want it. And that is it. You have successfully learned how to hide your address on Shopify. Protecting your personal information while running an online store is important. These small settings changes can help you maintain better privacy without affecting your customers' shopping experience. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, be sure to give it a like and subscribe for more quick website guides.